Sweet. Ayan guys, too much.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, never strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade.
Hello mga kalindog, ayan. For today's video, we're going to make or bake the pizza with broccoli. Ayan mga kalindog, I did the dough last night. So ayan ang dough that we need. And of course, ang ating broccoli. Ayan mga kalindog, there's a lot of broccoli I cooked yesterday. So ayan, ilalagay natin to, or we're going to put this in, what do you call that, in the pizza. Ayan guys ha, I wash my hands before you cook or you touch the food. Of course, you need to wash your hands. So yung mga kalindog, ito yung dough. We need to put a little bit. Wait. We need to put a little bit. Ayan, sorry. Nawala. So guys, wait, nawala tayo. So ayan mga kalindog. Nawala. Ayan mga kalindog. So, hi my goodness, itong ating DJ selfie stick. But anyways, ayan guys, ito yung dough. So I need to put some meal or harina. Ayan. Para hindi siya magdikit. So, this is the dough guys, ha? Actually, this is good na for baking or to put all the ingredients. Ay mga kalindog, pakita ko sa inyo ang ating gagawing pizza. But before, we need to turn on already. We need to prepare now the oven. Ayan guys, I'm gonna put in 150 and ayan sa ating heater. So ayan guys, so let's make now the pizza and I'm hungry na. Ayan. So mga kalindo, ayan. So kailangan natin ng konting meal or harina here. So, ayan guys. Para hindi dumikit ang ating dough. So, ayan guys, yung dough, this is good for 3 person. I make it already. I did it last night. So, ayan mga kalindog. Pakita ko sa inyo how to do it. Okay? Ayan, ganyan lang. So, we need a little bit massage. So, ayan. And we need this, guys. Masarap siya. Because pizza with broccoli is my favorite, guys. Mga kalindog. And very healthy. Ayan. So, it's better you do it by yourself. Kaysa, bumili pa kayo, di ba? Because when you buy it somewhere, it's salty. A lot of salt. So ito you can measure how many salt if you want. Ayan. No, pwede yung it depends in your taste. Ayan, ganyan lang mga kalindog. Di ba? Tikit. Ayan. So ayan mga kalindog, almost. And of course mga kalindog, lalagyan natin siya ng this one. Look at this. Wait. Ayan guys. Itong cheese na itish. Diba? The white cheese kasi hindi natin lagyan ng tomato. So ayan mga kalindog. Tignan nyo na lang. Ayoko nang dumaldal. Charot. So ayan, almost ready. So, ito kailangan natin lagyan ng harina also. Para hindi siya dumili. So, that's it. So this is my lunch for today, mga kalindog. Diba? Yan, damihan natin ng so ayan mga kalindog, ang dough is ready na. So kailangan ngayon natin ang ating broccoli. Ayan. Guys, the more broccoli, it's more better. Ayan, gusto ko yung more broccoli. So, ayan, tagtarin lang muna natin ang broccoli. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo. Mga kalindog, wait lang. Dumidikit ang dough. Dough is trying to make dikit-dikit. So, ayan mga kalindog, ganyan lang. Durug-durugin nyo lang ang dough. Ay, ang broccoli, again, yes. More broccoli is more good. Ayan mga kalindog. Remember, this is healthy. Diba? Ganyan lang. I prepare the broccoli is more thin. Ayan. I-ano natin, very, anuhin natin ng maigi, guys. So, ayan. But before this, we need to put this, guys, the cheese with krauter. Ayan. Kung ano-anong anik. Sari-saring anik. So, ayan. So, I hope na hindi siya didikit. Kasi, lagyan natin siya ng olive oil before. Para hindi dumikit sa ating dough. So, ayan dough. So, ayan mga kalindog. Ayan, olive oil ha. Use the olive oil also better. Olive oil is healthy too. Ayan mga kalindog. Only like that. Spread the olive oil para hindi dumikit yung cheese sa inyong gagawin yung like that. Wait. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo mga kalindog. Kasi we need to make like that. Ito na yung pinaka-sauce niya. Instead the tomato. Diba? So, damihan nyo nito. The more is this fresh cheese is better. Ayan. Gusto ko to mga kalindog. I love it. O, diba? Ayan, ganyan lang siya. And then you need to spread it. Like this. Ayan, spread it. So this is like the toppings already, guys. Siya ang pinaka-topping ng ating pizza. Diba? Yung other like the pizza margarina, pizza with ano ba yun? Margarita nga ba? Nilagyan siya ng tomato sauce. But me, ayan, pag ganito lang, pag with broccoli, only the cheese. Guys, ayan, this cheese. Diba? Masarap to mga kalindog. I will suggest you do it and healthy this. Ayan, diba? Ganyan lang mga kalindog. O, diba? Ayan, Mamma Mia! Ready na siya, masarap na siya. So, ganyan lang mga kalindog, no? You have to be patient. Pag nagkukuk tayo, always patient. Patient make perfect. Diba? Ayan, mga kalindog. Ganyan lang. So, kita nyo, marami na siya. So, I think this is enough. So, later I will show you more. So, ayan. Ayan, guys. At we need to spread na the broccoli. Ayan, ganyan. O, diba? Yummy. O, diba, mga kalindog? Ganyan lang. So, the half, yung half, lagyan natin siya ng mushroom. Because I bought some mushroom, mga kalindog. At lagyan din natin siya ng speck. Diba? Ganyan lang. Ayan. This is it. And this, guys, I will show you. Binili natin. Ayan. So, this is, guys, yung mushroom. Well, I think this mushroom is good. Ayan, guys. This is yummy. So, ayan, mga kalindog. My kitchen is very mess. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo, ha? So, nakikita nyo ba? I think it's not, right? So, dito. Yan, ayan. This is it. So, ay mga kalindog, kuha tayo ng very sharp na kutsilyo. So, ayan mga kalindog. Look at this. Ayan. Ito naman yung pizza. Ah, ito naman yung ano ba tawag dito? Yung mushroom. Ayan mga kalindog, diba? Sarap siya. Then, put yung toppings niya sa pinale is more cheese. O, diba? Ano nang pinagsasabi ko? Hindi ko maintindihan. Naintindihan nyo ba? Hindi rin, no? Right? Magulo masyado ang aking salita. So, yan mga kalindog, diba? Ganyan lang. So, lahatin na natin siya mga kalindog. The more is more yummy. Diba? Para level ang kanyang pizza. Ayan. Yung half is broccoli and half is the mushroom. I don't know ano tong mushroom na ito, guys. I don't know what is this. But anyways, ayan. Itodo na natin, guys. Diba? So, para yummy, ayan. Ayan mga kalindog, nakikita nyo. I will show you later. Wait, ha? So, ayan mga kalindog, wait. So, ayan guys, ayan ang ating pizza. Then, let's put some speck. Ayan guys, oh. This is yummy also. Ayan. Masarap siya kung lalagyan nyo siya ng ganitong speck. Right? Ayan guys. Spread nyo lang siya. Diba? Ayan mga kalindog. Ganyan lang. And this is it. Ayan. Diba? Kailangan nating spread yan. Diba? Sarap na siya. Sarap yan mga kalindog. And of course, lagyan natin siya ng ayan, ng oil. Ng olive oil. Ayan guys, mukhang wala na tayong oil. Ayan. So, wait lang. So, ayan guys, yung ating olive oil. Lagyan lang natin siya. Ayan. That's it. And, ayan ang asin. Or the salt. So guys, and the finally is, ayan, ang ating cheese. Don't forget our cheese. Ayan mga kalindog, this is our cheese. Ayan. Ayan mga kalindog, that is how easy to make or, yeah, to make the pizza. Ganyan lang. Pero kung gusto niyo ng mga normal pizza, lagyan siya of course ng tomato. Ganyan din ang the same procedure. Ako kasi instead is I like this, the white pizza. So, it depends with you guys ha. If you want more cheese, yeah, do it. If you doesn't like cheese, reduce your cheese. But me, because I love too much cheese. Ayan. So guys, that is ready. Ayan. I think the cheese is good enough. No, ang dami na niya. Diba? Dagdagan pa natin. So ayan, mga kalindog. So ayan, we need to put that here. Ayan mga kalindog, let's put in here our pizza. And charan! Ayan. Guys, put na natin siya sa oven. So ayan guys, did you see our pizza? We need to put now in the oven. Ayan guys, diba? Yummy! O, sarap niya, diba? O, diba? Laki eh. Ayan guys, let's cook with ayan guys sa 200. Ayan guys, let's wait. So ayan mga kalindogs, diba, let's wait in 30 minutes. So, ayan guys, there we go, our pizza. Let's see. Ayan. Almost done. Alright. Diba? Sarap. So, we're going to eat later on. So, ayan guys, our pizza is already done. So, let's get it. Ayan mga kalindog. Kunin na natin ang ating pizza. So, there we go, mga kalindog. Oh my God. Ano ba yan? So, yan mga kalindog, I will show you ang ating pizza na ready na. O, diba? Ready to eat. Ayan guys, too much. So, kainan. Kainan na. I put here guys. So, ayan, pakita ko sa inyo, ha? So, ayan, guys. Our pizza is done. We can eat na. So, kain na tayo, mga kalindog. Well, I prefer to eat this, half of this broccoli and half of that ayan, mga kalindog. This is too much. Ayan, but we need to enjoy. Ayan, ang ating pizza. Oh my God, guys. Oh, it's hot. So, ayan, guys. Ang ating pizza is already done. So, let's taste, guys. Tikpan natin. Ating pizza with broccoli. Ayan. Oh, ayan ang do. Perfect. Ang sarap mga kalindog. At ito naman yung ating mushroom. Let us taste too. Yan, sarap ng mushroom, guys. Really tasty. So, ayan guys, thank you for watching. I hope did you enjoy my video. I need to eat first. Bye! Thank you for watching.